Hello, my name's Joe from Swansway Peugeot, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your wireless Android and Apple CarPlay on your brand new Peugeot 308. Firstly, what we need to do is press the mirror screen button in the bottom of your touchscreen panel. You will see that you can connect your phone via USB as well, but for the purpose of this video, we will just be doing it wirelessly. Pressing the connect device button will start this whole process off. After you've done that, you need to look towards your smartphone where you will see the My Peugeot NY537695, which is the name of this vehicle. Pressing that button will allow the smartphone and your 10-inch screen to connect. Firstly, we will look towards your smartphone. As you can see, it says the Bluetooth pairing request with the code on there as well. Allow that and allow the contacts and the favourites to sync as well. Then we will head over towards your screen where you can see the connection request. We have to accept this, accept the pairing code, which is the same which was on your smartphone, and then head back towards your phone, where you will see the message pop up that says use CarPlay with My Peugeot and mirror screen. Accept this, and then start the phone projection on your 10-inch screen. You will have to wait a couple seconds for the 10-inch screen and your smartphone to connect, but once it has connected, the Apple CarPlay will pop up on your screen, and this is the exact same process with Android as well. You can see you have use of the phone, maps, messages, your music, podcasts, settings, Spotify and WhatsApp, which are all very nice features for your Android and Apple CarPlay. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.